following county: San Bernardino, California. The National Weather Service in San Diego has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for San Bernardino County in Southern California until 4:15 p.m. PDT. At 3:34 p.m. PDT, a severe thunderstorm was located near I-15 between Victorville and Barstow, moving west at 20 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Victorville, Apple Valley, I-15 between Victorville and Barstow, Adelanto, Hillendale, and Oro Grande. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:15 p.m. PDT for the following county: San Bernardino, California.